Good morning, everyone. So, my name is Anushka Jore. I'm from class 12 Aravalis. I'm studying here. I'm studying in A1 Xavier's from 13 to 12 years. First of all, I want to thanks to my teachers, my all gurus, to giving me such an opportunity. So let us start today's topic, World Population Day. Before starting, there is my question. Why should we celebrate such event, World Population Day? So let's see. World Population Day is an international level awareness campaign being celebrated all over the world to call the people on a stage to know the reasons of this exploiting population year by year, as well as to solve the big mistake of the whole human fraternity. This is the great awareness event is to bring a population revolution global, as well as breaking asleep all the slept people to pay their full attention and help in combating this population issue. Population issue is such a big problem for our world. So, let us know what is the history of World Population Day. Why should we have to start World Population Day? World Population Day is a great event being celebrated all through the world annually on 11th of July. It is celebrated to increase the awareness of the people toward the worldwide population issue. It was first started in the year 1989 by the Counseling of the United Nations Development UNDP. It was accelerated by the interest of the public when the public globally population become near about 5 billion. It's a huge population range. 5 billion at 11th of July in year 1987. The government of our country see that there is a population of 5 billion in which year 1987. It's the biggest issue of our country. Then, what is the theme? What is the theme of every year our government goes with the different themes of the World Population Day. So let us see what is the World Population theme of 2023. So it is imagine a world where all 8 billion of us have a future bursting with promise and potential. So thank you, Young. Thank you to pay attention to my such a presentation. Thank you to all faculty members. Thank you, Principal Sir, giving us such a big important time of year.
I am the student from 12th Commerce. My name is Nagar Udwin, and today I am standing over here to bring awareness in society. Yes, today is World Population Day. Now, where the World Population Day is celebrated, on which day it is celebrated? So, every year World Population Day is observed on 11th July. Now, what the purpose of it? So, World Population Day is celebrated to bring awareness in society regarding the population problems faced by the country and also for measure for controlling it. So, we would like to start our program. Now, we will discuss about what the major problems are facing due to overpopulation. So, first is unemployment. Second is effect on standard of living. Third is poor coverage on health coverage. And problems like housing problem, food problem. Overpopulation also affect the environment on large. Now, a population growth rate in India is between the 0.50 to 1%. Now, we will see what the population in the 2022. So, total population of India in 2022 is 1.42 billion, which means approx 141.7 crore. It is a matter of huge concern for our country. Now, it increases to 0.81% in 2023, which means 1.48 billion, and which means approx 142.86 crore. So, this is a time for Indians to awake regarding the population. Now, we will discuss what are the measures for controlling it. So, we would control the population by dividing it to the three parts: social, economic and other. By minimum age of marriage, through women empowerment, through spread of education, by social security, through initiatives, through employment, by laws, by medical facilities and awareness generation. I hope this speech will help you to understand the population problems faced by the country and also measures for controlling it. Birth control is blessing for the earth. Thank you.